Hello YouTube, this is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer. I'm not very motivated right now. This isn't a video that I want to make. Let me talk to you about ISUZU's turbo issue. After having completed a test drive of nearly 200 miles, I hop in this truck to do a final inspection prior to delivery. And what do I find? A check engine light. Come on, people. So I immediately plug in our scanner and I find this code, the P0045 turbocharger supercharger. Every single time that we've seen this code in the past, we've had to replace the turbo. We've probably replaced 20 or more ISUZU turbos in the last 6 years. And at over $5,000 a pop, it's no fun at all. The issue that we find here is there's a little electric motor, the actuator, that controls movable vane position within the turbo. This is what regulates boost. So the actuator faults, resulting in low boost or overboost. Okay, let's just fix the problem by replacing the actuator motor. Nope, can't do that. ISUZU does not sell this part separate. You have to replace the entire $5,000 turbo. Don't get me wrong, ISUZU does make a really good truck. This diesel engine is one of the best in class. But every manufacturer has some type of flaw. And ISUZU's biggest flaw is a premature turbo failure. If this information was helpful, help us grow our page and hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.